Good morning, children. Today also we are going to continue the chapter triangles. From exercise 6.2, we are going to solve some problems with the help of converse of BPT. Before go to the problems, we just recall about the converse of BPT. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line must be parallel to the third side. In any triangle, if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line must be parallel to the third side. For example, in the given figure, in triangle ABC, the line XY divides the sides AB and AC of the triangle ABC in the same ratio. That means AM by MB is equal to AN by NC. Line XY divides AB and AC in the same ratio, then XY is parallel to BC. If in triangle ABC, line XY divide the sides AB and AC in the same ratio, that is AM by MB is equal to AN by NC. Therefore, the line XY is parallel to BC. Let us solve some problems, children. Question number 4. In the given figure, DE parallel to OQ and DF parallel to OR, then show that EF parallel to QR. Solution: given triangle PQR, in that DE parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. To prove EF parallel to QR. Proof: in triangle PQO, ED parallel to OQ or QO given, then PD by DO is equal to PE by EQ by basic proportionality theorem, that is equation number 1. Similarly, in triangle POR, DF parallel to OR, it is given. So PD by DO is equal to PF by FR by BPT, that is equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, in both the equation, the LHS are equal. Therefore, the RHS are also equal. So we get from equation 1 and 2, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Now in triangle PQR, by using the converse of basic proportionality theorem, EF is parallel to QR. Because we have the result in triangle PQR, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. It means that EF divides the sides PQ and PR in the same ratio. Therefore, by the converse of BPT, EF is parallel to QR. Hence proved. Question number 6. In figure, A, B and C are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that AB parallel to PQ and AC parallel to PR. Show that BC is parallel to QR. Solution: given triangle PQR, A, B and C are the points on OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that AB parallel to PQ, AC parallel to PR, to prove that BC parallel to QR. Now proof. In triangle OPQ, AB parallel to PQ, that is given. Therefore, OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ by BPT, that is equation number 1. Similarly, in triangle OPR, AC parallel to PR is given. OA by AP is equal to OC by CR by BPT, that is equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, we observe that the LHS are equal. Therefore, the RHS are also equal. So we get OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. This shows that in triangle OQR, OA by BQ is equal to OC by CR. We proved that. It shows that BC divides the sides OQ and OR in the same ratio. So by the converse of basic proportionality theorem, in triangle OQR, BC is parallel to QR. Hence the result. Question number 9. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC and its diagonal intersect each other at the point O such that OA by OB is equal to OC by DO or AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Solution. Given ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC, the diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at O. To prove DO by BO is equal to CO by OA. That means we rearrange the given condition. Proof. In triangle DAB, draw FO parallel to AB. Draw the line FO parallel to AB. Now by BPT, FD by FA is equal to DO by OB. That is equation number 1. Now in triangle DCA, FO parallel to DC. FO parallel to DC. Again we are using the BPT theorem, that is basic proportionality theorem. We get DF by FA is equal to CO by OA. That is equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, we observe that the LHS are equal. Therefore, in equation 1 and 2, the RHS are also equal. So we get DO by OB is equal to OC by OA from equation 1 and 2. By rearranging the terms, we get AO by BO is equal to CO by DO, hence the result. Question number 10. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. To prove a quadrilateral as a trapezium, we need to prove that one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Now solution. Given quadrilateral ABCD in which the diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. To prove quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Construction. Through the point O, draw the line EO parallel to AB. EO parallel to AB, which meets the AD at E. Now in triangle DAB, EO parallel to AB, therefore by BPT, DE by AE is equal to DO by OB, that is equation number 1. But in the question it is given that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. By rearranging this, we get AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. Then by taking reciprocal, we get CO by AO is equal to DO by BO. That is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, we get dE by EA is equal to CO by OA. Now, by using the converse of basic proportionality theorem, EO parallel to DC, that is in triangle ACD, we proved that dE by EA is equal to CO by OA. It shows that EO divides the sides AD and AC of triangle ADC in the same ratio. Therefore, by the converse of BPT, EO parallel to DC. Already we know that EO parallel to AB. From the above, we get AB parallel to DC. Now in quadrilateral ABCD, one pair of opposite sides are parallel, that is AB parallel to DC. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to CD. Thank you, children.